The forthcoming Pi network has generated enormous attention from the community and has been a hot issue for years, thanks to its millions of active users. In this video, we'll discuss if the Pi network will ever launch. Is the Pi coin real or a fake? The Pi network coin worth? In the Bitcoin community, this question is presently worth $1 million and remain unanswered. Hello guys, and welcome back to CryptoConnex. If you are new here, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell before we proceed, as we do it every day. This channel have resumed its daily giveaway of 30 Pi coins to one lucky subscriber. To be that lucky subscriber, all you have to do is comment Pi network to the moon with the rocket emoji. Good luck to you all, guy. With that out of the way, let's get into the business of the day. According to the Pi core team, the Pi network is currently in the final stages of its transition to an open main net, fully decentralized access to the other blockchains, and enables Pi coins to trade with other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. This is a crucial stage in its enclosed mainnet development. The Pi network has been concentrating on technical advancements, KYC solutions, Pi platforms, and ecosystem development, among other things, since its major net migration started on August 2, 2022. According to its most recent statement, the Pi is at a crucial juncture in the development of the enclosed primary network, where it is able to concentrate on two critical goals: enabling mass KYC and empowering the development of ecosystem services. Both are crucial steps toward our goal of creating a strong ecosystem to prepare for open mainnet. Currently, there is no set timetable for the changeover yet, but the stage of opening the mainnet to the public is proceeding according to plan. What is the open primary network for the Pi that is being discussed or talked about? When a blockchain convention is fully built and disseminated, it is referred to as the mainnet, which implies that cryptographic currency transfers are being communicated, confirmed, and documented on a decentralized record system, a blockchain. In a nutshell, depicts the term mainnet, which refers to the blockchain that has been released to the public and is unquestionably true. The core network's function is to carry out actual organizational transactions that are recorded on the blockchain, referred to as the outcome, which will be reachable and accessible to the entire pioneers. Before a blockchain project's main network goes live, the team will typically plan an initial exchange offering, or IEO, or any other method that can help the company raise money and develop its local community. Usually, the assets amassed are put to good use in developing blockchain network models, which are subsequently put to the test on the testnet stage. The group will deliver a modified version of the blockchain mainnet that is, in an ideal world, fully transmitted and optimized for the test network's performance after bug corrections. A free blockchain, which is the mainnet, has its own structure, inventions, and norms. It is a real-time blockchain that uses its own type of cryptocurrency or tokens, as opposed to testnet or initiatives that operate on top of other well-known organizations like Bitcoin. It is crucial to obtain the protocol approach because the primary net of the Pi network has not yet been built, originating from one of the coins that actively set up the main net. Pi is constructing the main net around the SCP that is the Stellar, Lumen, and Ripple possess. This is significant because it indicates that Pi will never change from being a token to becoming a coin again. This also means that the Pi will have its own worth and reap significant benefits when it joins the market. The cycle is operating beautifully, and Pi network is currently making more progress than was anticipated on the main net alone. There is a rumor that once the main net is finished, mining will end. The Pi core team released a number of improvements on Pi Day 2023, one of which is the new testnet ecosystem interface, which also includes testnet applications on the mobile mining blockchain. The Pi network testnet ecosystem is present in the Pi browser application. The tool allows innovators to envision what the primary internet ecosystem might look like. Pioneers can utilize the testnet ecosystem to investigate and test prospective mainnet applications and provide developers feedback, enabling them to make updates before the mainnet is released. In general, the Pi network testnet ecosystem gives developers the tools they need to build innovative applications that improve their chances of being accepted into the mainnet. On the other hand, pioneers will use the feature to investigate and offer commentary about their preferred programs with top-notch utilities. The choice made by the Pi core team will guarantee that innovators are involved in the creation of beneficial applications in the decentralized finance arena. As part of the 2023 Pi Day celebration, Pi Network introduced the Ecosystem Ambassador Programs for Blockchain Pioneers on March 14, 2023. An ecosystem ambassador's duty, according to the statement, is to locate and connect builders, create applications for the Pi ecosystem. Ambassadors will receive Pi in exchange for effectively integrating successful Pi apps into the mobile mining ecosystem. The Ecosystem Ambassador Program is a recent project that offers Pi coins as prizes for innovators. Users can now contribute to the Pi ecosystem even if they have no experience with software programming or product development. Thanks to the innovation, Pi Network will disclose separately how pioneers can take part in the lucrative initiative by identifying developers. Pi Wrapped, the utility token for Pi Bridge. The pancake swap launch of the Between Pi Network and BNB chain earlier this year is being monitored by CoinMarketCap. In place of the native Pi coin, the Wrapped Pi is an unauthorized token for the BNB network. Investors may have noted the Pi coin value was publicly published on a few cryptocurrency exchanges, like in the absence of an official connection from the Pi Network core team. Pi Network IOU has been listed on December 29, 2022. Though not ready for trading, the Pi Network is still in its confined mainnet era, during which it is not permitted to deal in Pi through an exchange. Despite what was said in the introduction, members of the Pi Network community have expressed concern about it as well, which has prompted the Pi team to respond to these listings. The Pi core team asserted that none of these listings were approved by the team, that all were done independently of them and complied with network standards. The team cautions users against trading and asks that the coin be taken off of these exchanges. The future worth of the Pi coin is currently the subject of much discussion. All we can do is wait and see. The protocol currently has millions of users and active miners guarding its beta network. This area will explode once the network is operational because it is completely programmed to do so. We think that the Pi coin won't truly be valuable until the Pi network opens up its primary net to the general public. If this is the case, the Pi network project will unquestionably introduce new technologies. In 2022, the Pi network finally achieved substantial development in the crypto industry. Leading platforms are showing interest in the initiative promises to address the web-scale issue while achieving a balance between the availability and scarcity of Bitcoin assets. In 2023, the Pi core team will also keep growing, starting with hackathons in early January. An important milestone toward its development in 2023 will be the beginning of widespread KYC and major net migration. Before we go any further, know that we are not financial advisors. Always conduct your own investigation and seek advice from qualified people. Come to your own conclusions and take independent judgments. Everything we say is solely based on our research and personal opinions. Not to mention that I own Pi coins and have a stake in the venture's success, as you may already be aware. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message in the Telegram or email provided down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Thank you, and see you in our next video.